Okay, doing a raking some yard here. Got the rake on. New, what you want to call it? Hydraulic top link. But, you know, I noticed the exhaust started stinking. And from my last video, I think it was 154. And 154 hours, I'm at 207 now. And we're going through automatic regen. And I'm just going to work right through it. We'll see what happens. This is the first time it went into automatic regen. The last 3 times I did regen, it was a manual initiated. So, right now, I'm waiting for the temperature to get up. You can see the temperature right there. Once it gets up to temperature, then the other light will come on. You'll see the regen and the temp light come on, and then it'll go through its regen, but I'm going to work right through it. So we'll see what happens. I'll take the time too. See now, I got my other temperature regen light on. That means I'm up to temperature. And it took about 2-3 minutes to get up to temperature. Right now I'm at PTO speed right now. And when I came on it was 8:10, so we'll see how long it takes. Okay, so 15 minutes later, I was just working it. I had the RPMs up, 540 right there at PTO range. Just doing some raking. And throttle was all automatic. One thing I noticed is when I started it up today, you can hear the exhaust kind of, or you can smell the exhaust. It's kind of stinky. And it's been 50 something hours since I regen before, and I put it into a manual regen. But this time it did it automatically, which was good. This is the first time I had it done automatically. Like I said, the last 3 times I did it manual. We're just, but as we were raking, we didn't have to stop and, let the tractor sit or anything. Get the stick out of here. Oh yeah, she's wedged in there. There we go. But, yeah, I didn't have to stop work or anything. I just let it regen on its own, and it did it on its own, and it's fine. So all you tractor owners out there that are afraid to afraid of these emission systems, yeah, they suck, but they just do it on their own. Nothing you can do. So I just wanted to show you that. Give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.